Hello, I'm Farhan
Hello, I'm Tushar.
and we are from Starwood. Today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic. As you all know, this month we are doing all the videos about examination. So today's video is about tips and tricks for CBSE new examination pattern. But Tushar, before moving towards the tips and tricks, let us first discuss what is this examination, what are its pattern, and what we should know about it. So, what can you tell about all these things and what a student should know before attending this examination?
Okay, Farhan. Actually, the examination is divided into two parts, that is term 1 and term 2. Now, the term 1 will be going to start from December 3 and the term 2 will be held in March or April. The duration of the paper will be 90 minutes. Now, I'll tell you some of the common parts of the question paper, means this pattern will be followed in this particular examination. The first part will be of very short answer type questions, which will be of 1 mark each. Second part will be of short answer type questions, which will be of 2 marks each. Third part will be of long answer type questions type 1, which will be of 4 marks each. So the last part will be of long answer type questions type 2, which will be of 6 marks. So this is a common pattern which is followed in every examination.
Okay. So you mean to say there can be different number of questions in different type of question papers
Yeah.
that can be possible.
Yeah,
As
exactly.
we have seen, like you were telling me that the physics paper has 55 questions, or English paper have different number of questions, chemistry will have different number of questions. So this can happen.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the pattern will be same,
Yeah.
but the number of questions can vary.
So the duration can be same 90 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So let's come to the main topic in which we'll be discussing about the tips and tricks of the examination. So Farhan, can you tell the viewers of how they can prepare for this particular examination?
So Tushar, according to me, there is no special preparation for any kind of examination. The hard work is the key. Okay. And a smart work should be done to together with that. So let's keep that the base of all these things, and let me tell you about everything, whatever I can tell you in some points. First point is start solving sample papers or the mock papers, which will help you to understand about the case scenarios of the examination and what will be your actual feeling and where you stand. You'll understand about that. Second one is work on your weak parts. Determine where you lack or which part of your personality or your studies are on the weaker side. Prepare for those areas. If you're not able to get the confidence, try to get some part of those topics or those areas, so that you don't miss out the full topic or all the questions in that area. Okay. Third part, complete your syllabus. This is very important. If you don't complete your syllabus on time, you'll not get the time for revision, and revision is very much important for any kind of examination. So prepare and or try to complete your syllabus well before time, so that you get time to revise everything again and again, maybe 2 times, 3 times. That will help you to get confidence. Last but not the least, my 4P approach. Okay, which means plan, prioritize, prepare, and practice. Okay, let me just give you a brief explanation of all these things. Plan your examination, prioritize your studies, and which topic you like to study first and which topic you can finish up first, something like that. Prepare for it and practice it again and again. So according to me, these are the points every student should remember, and this will surely help them to face the exam with full confidence.
Okay, Farhan, it was very insightful. I'm sure the students will follow the 4P approach.
Yeah. So let us just wind up our video here. So let's wind up our video here. Everyone knows that we give a Google form in each of our videos, in which you can tell your views about the technology which can help our education system.
So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and do hit the like button, and please share your comments and thoughts about this particular video in the comment box.
This is Farhan
This is Tushar.
signing off.
Thank you.